This is a coordinated monthly test of the broadcast and cable stations in your area. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If there has been an actual emergency, official messages will follow this alert tone. This concludes our test of the emergency alert system.
At 7:54 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a flash flood warning for Greensville County in southeastern Virginia, Isle of Wight County in southeastern Virginia, James City County in southeastern Virginia, Southampton County in southeastern Virginia, southeastern Surrey County in southeastern Virginia, central Sussex County in southeastern Virginia, York County in southeastern Virginia, the city of Emporia in southeastern Virginia, the city of Hampton in southeastern Virginia, the city of Newport News in southeastern Virginia, the city of Poquoson in southeastern Virginia, until 11 a.m. At 7:54 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated heavy rain falling across the warned area. Between 2 and 3 inches of rain have fallen during the past several hours. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by heavy rain. Source: Doppler radar and automated gauges. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Newport News, Hampton, Franklin, Smithfield, Emporia, Cortland, Wakefield, Boykins, Surrey, Christopher Newport University, Patrick Henry Field, Virginia Institute for Marine Sciences, Gloucester Point, Seaford, Langley Air Force Base, Dahlia, Hampton University, Isle of Wight, Northampton, and Ivor. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area during the next hour or two. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. A flash flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring.
And the joy of everyday life are all around.
The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Somerset County in southeastern Maryland until 12:15 a.m. At 11:26 p.m., severe thunderstorm was located over Marion Station, or 11 miles south of Princess Inn, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect damage to trees and power lines. The thunderstorm will be Marion Station around 11:45 p.m. Lasonia around 11:55 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Rehoboth, Shelltown, Kingston, Byrontown, Fairmount, and Hopewell. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Wakefield, VA. Areas. National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a tornado warning for central Somerset County in southeastern Maryland until 1:45 a.m. At 1:10 a.m., severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Westover, or 8 miles southwest of Princess Inn, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near west over around 1:20 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Princess Anne around 1:25 a.m. West Potomac around 1:35 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Kingston,
Vehicles will occur.
Damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near. In around 1:25 a.m. Over now. Move to a... Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Windows, Fairmount, Upper Hill. Rainy. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Wakefield, VA.
Oh my goodness.
Here, line.
The Virginia State Police and the Virginia Missing Children's Clearinghouse has issued an Amber Alert on behalf of the Stafford County Sheriff's Office for a child abduction that occurred on September 16, 2020 at 2200 hours. The child is believed to be in extreme danger and was last seen at 2142 Jefferson Davis Highway, Stafford, Virginia. Abducted is Selena Janira Fernandez, Hispanic female with black hair and brown eyes, 17 years old, 5 foot 1 inches tall, weighing 160 pounds. She was last seen wearing a white t-shirt and black pants. The child is believed to have been abducted by Rodney Richards, black male with black hair and brown eyes, 5 foot 10 inches tall, weighing 230 pounds. He was last seen wearing a blue hoodie and black jeans. They were last seen driving a white four-door Honda sedan. For more information, contact the Stafford County Sheriff's Office at 540-658-4400 or visit www.vaamberalert.com.